iOS 18 – How to send messages via satellite on iPhone. Apple's iOS 18 integrated a major feature for iPhone users, the capability to send messages via satellite. This expansion of the Save or Ship via satellite feature, initially introduced with the iPhone 14, lets users stay connected even in the most remote locations. The messages via satellite feature flawlessly include iMessage, utilizing Apple's end-to-end encryption to ensure that your conversations remain private and secure. GadInsider's got you through the process of sending messages via satellite, helping you to stay connected no matter where your adventures take you. It's important to note that this view feature is only available with iPhone 14 and newer models. When your phone detects no cellular or Wi-Fi signal, you'll automatically get a notification about the satellite connection option. Tap on the notification to access your satellite services. Currently, you would have access to a variety of satellite services, including Messages, Find My, Roadside Assistance, and Emergency OS. Your iPhone would be able to guide you through scanning for the closest satellite and orienting your device correctly. Satellite messaging in iOS 18 supports two formats, standard SMS and iMessage. Meanwhile, each function varies when utilizing satellite connectivity. With iMessage, you can send and get messages. Meanwhile, SMS has some restrictions. However, you can send SMS messages to any contact. You can only receive them from pre-designated emergency contacts when connected via satellite. iOS 18 integrates different exciting features beyond satellite messaging. While you can take benefit by using these 9 features right away, including the capability to schedule messages to send later.